Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open the form you want to share and focus on the send control. That is the only place that generates the official link. Click send, then choose the link icon. This produces the canonical URL Google uses to identify responses. Once you see the long URL, you can check the prefill option or shorten it with Google's checkbox. Both options change how recipients access fields. Make sure to preview the form link, so you verify any prefilled answers or settings before distributing it. Now you continue by selecting whether you need a pre-filled link or a short URL. If you want fields filled for recipients, click the 3 dots and choose Get Pre-filled Link, complete the fields, then submit to generate that special URL. Alternatively, tick Shorten URL inside the Send Link view to get a compact address for messages. Once configured, press Copy to Clipboard. This is the only reliable method, because copy captures Google's Form ID and any prefill parameters exactly as required. Finish by pasting the copied link into your chosen channel, email, chat, or a website embed. Before mass distribution, open that link in an incognito or logged-out browser to confirm behavior and response collection. If responses fail or the link returns a 404, do not manually reconstruct it. Reopen the form, click Send, and copy the URL again because the only guaranteed fix is recopying the canonical link from Google. Make sure permissions match your audience. Restrict or allow as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.